Here we have a cool 3-pack LED work light. COB rechargeable work lights with a magnetic base 360 rotation. It has 5 light modes: flashlight for car repair, emergency use. This is a great gift idea for men and also women for safety. I like to provide the women in my life a nice flashlight that's reliable so that they could keep inside their automobile for just in case. This light comes in 3 colors. You could get it in a 2-pack, 3-pack, 4-pack. It's made out of plastic and a little bit of metal. It's anti-sweat, anti-slip. The head is aluminum, which dissipates the heat effectively, and it prolongs the life of the lamp. It has a 360 rotary magnet base and hook. This magnet is very convenient for you to put this work light on any place and make your hands free to finish the job. It's great for car repair, home lighting, camping, power outages, and even gifts. This light is USB charged, which is convenient. You can charge it in the car. No need for searching for batteries. And it also provides a ton of light for the small package that it comes in. This is the type of product that you don't know you need it until you need it. So it's better just to go ahead, pick up a few. This way you have it when you need it.